0625 paper 41 October November 2021. Topic is DC circuit, potential divider, power, right? Question number is 8. A circuit contains two fixed resistors and a light dependent resistor. Figure shows that the power supply is a 9-volt battery. So here we could see the power supply is a 9-volt battery and the current will first passes through the 800 ohm resistor, then it is distributing to 450 ohm resistor and the LDR, right? So that means the current which is passing through the 8 ohm resistor is distributing to the I3 and I1 that I named, and the main current is I2, so I2 is distributing to I3 and I1. And then the 450 ohm resistor and the LDR ohm resistor are in parallel. That means their potential difference is the same. So that means 9-volt battery is the potential difference, which is of the cell, which is EMF, which is 9-volt battery, is 9 volt is first distributing to 800 ohm, then distributed in parallel with 450 ohm resistor, right? So state what is meant by electric current. Here is the catch. Electric current. We know the rate of flow of charges is the current, but they ask state what is meant by electric current. So we need to use that word electric in our answer. Rate of flow of electric charge is the electric current, right? The part B. The current in the IR is I1 and the current in the 800 ohm resistor is I2. Complete the equation that relates the current in the 450 ohm resistor to the I1 and I2. So that means we already finalized that I2 is passing through the 8 ohm resistance, then it is distributing to I3 and I1. That means I2 is equals I3 and I1. So if we want to find out what is the current passes through the 450 ohm resistor, so I3 is equals to I2 minus I1. I3 is equals to I2 minus I1. Okay, calculate the power dissipated in 800 ohm resistor. We know the power formula P equals V square V into I, P equals I square R, P equals V square over R. So we can use any of one of them, but we need to use the smartly. We need to answer it smartly. So first of all, what we gonna do is first we want know the information that the current in the 450 ohm resistors is 0.012. So we know what is I3, right? So if I know what is I3, if I know what is resistance, so we can find out the potential difference across I3 or across 450 ohm resistor. So after we find, we just subtract this potential difference with 9 volt and we will get the potential difference across the 800 ohm resistor. So V equals IR 0.012 into 450, 0.012 is the current, 450 is the resistance, so 0.012 times 450 is 5.4 volt. So potential difference across 800 will be 9 minus 5.4, which is 3.6 volt. So we found the potential difference across 800 ohm resistor is 3.6 volt. So why wait? P equals V square over R. P square V square R means 3.6 square over 800. We will get the power dissipation across 450 800 ohm resistor, which is 0.0162 watt. So by using significant figures, and it will be 1.6 into 10 power minus 2 watt.